Look at the little, how do you call them?
Oh, the buckles, yeah.
Buckles, yeah.
Well, what I did, they were too bright, so when I polished it, I left them on when I polished.
Yeah.
So it tarnishes the brass a little bit.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
look,
that's great.
You wanted it, it's about as aged as
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
get it.
No,
without
that's
really
great
stuffing it up.
because it's. I can't believe you get this out of that piece I gave you. It's unbelievable.
Well, I did it very gently with a little bit of wire wool initially, with some oil, and then I mixed in some brasso and some silvero just to basically tank it down. But I didn't go too far. I could have polished it up so it was really bright and shiny.
No.
But I know that's not what you wanted. You
that's
wanted
amazing.
Sympathetically restored.
I can't believe you restored this. I mean, it was like, I'll put a picture with the before and after. It's just like brilliant.
I mean, I tried to make a brass pin, but it wasn't happening. So
That's all right.
That's actually the end of a long drill shaft. Like a drill bit shaft.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a wood routing one.
That's
so
great.
That's steel because it's good hard steel.
Yeah.
So that.
It's just you're so creative and.
I like to dabble.
It's brilliant, and I like how this thing is not the same length.
No, it's wider because you sent me 3 pictures, and the last one you sent was wide there. But I thought, well, it didn't quite look right with it wide at the back. So you've got the single strap, which is similar to the front of the others.
Yeah.
But the reason I've done that is tapered, so you can then slide it off over the buckle.
Yeah. It's. How did you? I mean, how did you come up with that idea? It's brilliant.
I just tried a couple of ideas. I basically made that, and then I looked at how that was on there. So I basically cut a piece of leather, went around the back. Okay, I made another one, stitched them together. Went, okay, that slides on okay, and I stitched that to that.
Yeah.
But it's stiff enough that you can position it where you want up the belt.
Yeah.
It will go all the way down, or
Yeah.
it will go slightly higher.
It's good. It's amazing. Yeah, you're good, man. I mean, you're in the wrong business. You should do leather work.
I'd love to do leather work full time.
But I don't think you.
I make a lot more on the locksmithing.
Yeah.
It's just I've got to. Yeah.
It's not.
When I get older, and I start to slacken off, and I maybe retire hypothetically.
But the thing is, do you have like a shop on Etsy or something?
No, nothing like that. No.
Because I think you should do one just for things like this. Because when you go and search for like pirate gear, medieval gear, or Vikings or things like that, you can't find proper things.
No.
All that you can find, there are a few people that are actually doing proper leather stuff, but most of them are just China-made things.
Those things,
and then added a lot of extra on top, so the price is more expensive because it's on Etsy, but the quality is not.
No.
I mean, you can compare them. What's this? I mean, I don't.
That's probably. I'd say that's
plastic, or what is it?
It is leather, but I would say it's probably about 1.5 mil.
Yeah, it's very thin. Yeah.
Whereas that's 3.5 mil thick leather.
Yeah. Yeah.
This stuff here is 3.5 to 4 mil thick.
I think this will work in reality. I mean,
it does.
I don't think you can get an arrow through that.
You won't get an arrow through this. Plus, it's got the chainmail beneath it.
Oh yeah.
The shirt goes all the way down.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, it's a full.
It's a full chainmail goes down. Yeah.
Oh wow. I thought it's just like.
Oh no. It's a full shirt.
Oh wow. Must be very heavy though.
Yeah. Well, the whole thing's about 30 kilos.
Yeah.
But no, it's comfy.
And yeah.
Because it's strapped on, you see. When you're strapped into it, it falls to your body.
Yeah.
So it's only when you start bending over that you notice the weight.
Yeah. But all the little buttons there, make a difference. It's all authentic.
Well, that's the detailing bit. Getting the main body part is the slog. The
Yeah.
slog is getting the basics down. When you've got the basic body of it, then it's the detailing.
Exactly.
It's the embellishment. It's the little touches
Yeah.
that you tweak here, a tweak there.
Even the straps and they look the part. I mean, yeah. It's great.